I know why your dreams haven't become a reality yet. And friend, this is the only video that you're going to need to watch for 2025 to get you right. Okay? So y'all want to know? 2 tips that you can start doing today. You don't need to sign up for my course. You don't need to do none of that. Stuff you could do today that will make you way more productive, way more like proud of yourself in 2025. You ready to hear them? I'm going to spill it like in the beginning of the video, so I'm not going to make you guys wait. But first, before I give you the keys to the streets of productivity, I'm going to need you to do one favor for me. And don't worry, it's free, okay? Double tap, theoretically. So can you thumbs up right here? It helps my video reach more people, which means I make more videos. Hello? We want more of these. If you want to subscribe, you can do that too. I would love it. You did that? You pressed the buttons? Okay, let's go. So I was on the phone this morning with my cousin who was telling me, you know, she's transitioning from a 9-to-5 job to a full-time YouTuber. Now, she's not new at YouTube, but she is new at giving herself a routine. So the discipline part has been a challenge for her. And so she's like, you know, 3 months ago when I quit my job, this happened to me. Then last month, this happened to me. And then this month, this happened to me. So when am I going to find time to film? And I'm like, girl, you notice a pattern? No matter where you are in your life, there's always going to be some new obstacle, some new BS. So how do you let the dust settle and still find a way to be productive? Y'all want to take a guess? It's simple. I want you to guess down in the comments real quick what you think I'm going to say. And then I'm going to say it. You need to do your hair and makeup in the morning. It's really that simple. I always tell people, if you can get hair and makeup done before 10 a.m., you're doing something. It's going to be a great day, very productive, and you're going to make more money. You know why? Because mentally, there's something that goes into a getting ready. You know, that ritual, that routine actually helps turn your mental on completely. So not only are you ready to film, you're in the best mood, you know, but you also are like literally camera ready. To where if there's a moment or a thought, you can get that moment or a thought. And you never know, that could be the moment or the thought that goes viral. But if you're not camera ready and you say, oh, I'm only going to film on Tuesdays and Thursdays, because, you know, some people, they film batch schedule. That doesn't work for me. Okay, I need to be able to get the inspiration in that moment needs to be captured. You never know what's going to be the thing that gets you the thing. Why not increase your odds? Increase your opportunities to get more moments by being ready for those moments, mentally and physically. Isn't that so simple? I know. But you wait for the next tip. And another thing, stop rewarding yourself. You ain't did nothing. This is the biggest thing that I see people in like entrepreneurship culture do. And then they wonder why they're always financially struggling. You're rewarding yourself when you've done nothing for the reward. So what is your reward? You know, the thing that you like to do every day. For a lot of people is go get coffee, go get Starbucks. And other videos on YouTube, they're going to tell you, why don't you just make coffee at home? You can make coffee at home. You'll save so much money. No, that's not going to help you make more money. That's the thing. If the coffee helps you make more money, we don't need to scale back. We need to use it as incentive. It's so simple, yet people are not doing it. They want to make their little 20-cent hot coffee at, hey, Graham Stephan, at home. No. You know, if coffee's your thing, that's your thing. Other people like other things. I like a backwood. You guys know that. But I will not enjoy until after I filmed a video or edited a video or did something that is income producing. So I'm going to introduce you guys to a term called IPAs, income producing activity. This is what I told my cousin this morning, because one thing about her, she'd be like, oh, I need to organize this. I need to do. Girl, you don't need to do anything that doesn't make you money during business hours. During business hours, whatever those are for you, because listen, comprehension. Somebody gonna be in the comments like, well, what about me? I work the grave shift. Okay, well, business hours 4 to 12 for you. Whatever that is for you, that is when you do your IPAs, your income producing activities. If it doesn't produce income, it is a waste of a business hour. That's not when you organize your stuff. That's not when you go through your childhood memories. No. That's for editing videos. That's for reaching out to clients, collabs, all that stuff. That's what that is for. Now you have to remain diligent and disciplined for yourself. So when you're done doing this, guess what? Now you can enjoy your backwood or your Starbucks coffee. But you don't sit there and organize stuff with your Starbucks and then be upset about why you're not growing on YouTube or why you're not making enough money. See how these few little simple tweaks change everything. And this is not rocket science. It is so easy to incorporate. Okay, I got the hair and makeup. I'm not going to be looking crusty. I'm not going to be looking crusty and dusty anymore. Period. Because another thing, you never know who's going to see you. You might think, oh, I'm just going to run to the Target to get it. Your husband could be in Target. Your next casting agent could be in Target. So I don't know. Somebody that you need to make an impression on could be, it could just be yourself, you know. Maybe you're not even in a good mood because you're looking crusty and dusty and you would prefer to be invisible in that state. I know a lot of people like that. Like, including myself, when I don't look good, I don't want to really be seen in that state. I would rather be seen like this. But that's why, if it takes me 25 minutes every day to do this, I'm going to do it because I know I'm going to feel better. When you look good, you feel good, you make more money. What else do I have for you guys? I need my nails done so bad. And men, speaking of, yeah, for the people who are like, well, I don't put on makeup, you're going to have to mentally put on something, you know, whether that's your extendo skincare routine and all of your elixirs. Go ahead and use this time to do your baby hairs and your elixirs. You know, if you're a man, do whatever you need to do. Get dressed up to the nines, put on your favorite outfit, you know, make sure you moisturize everything. You'd be surprised at how, matter of fact, I'm about to moisturize right now because you'd be surprised. Wait, hold on, where's my thing? No, where's my moisturization? Hold on. Oh my God, this is why I keep car stuff in the car. I always keep a shea butter cream in here. I really wanted to moisturize my hands, got me knocked off my game. But yeah, so you'd be surprised how much moisturization will change, open up your eyes and your brain waves. So don't be looking dry and cracked and rusty, crusty, dusty walking out the house. We're all adults. It's time to start putting your best foot forward. And don't say, oh, you know, that's superficial. Listen, you only get one first impression. This is why we have eyes to see, nose to smell, hands to touch. Because yes, humans are superficial creatures. This is our first way of telling us if it's safe or unsafe. Touch it. Oh, okay. It didn't burn you? Okay, cool. Look at it. It's good to look at. Maybe it's safe. Maybe it's safe. Maybe Luigi is safe. But anyway, so this is what I want you to take to 2025. Okay, we're all putting our best foot forward. And I don't want to see anybody get roasted or bullied for doing such, because they doing their best. We all over here doing our best. And how much better would a world of more productive and better looking people be? Exactly. I'll see you next week's video.